Hello and welcome back again, my friend. This is Thomas with you. We came back in another Bitcoin price prediction. And as you see here, the daily candle, it's finished here. As you see it, what it did give us here, it gave us there a big pin bar as you see it, that one. So it's breaking for us the last level here. And I tell you all those things in the previous video. And another thing here, if you see very close with me, that big pin bar, it happened here, and it happened here. That the third time. After every time it happened in that pin bar, what happened in the first time? Look at it. Second time, look at it. Now the third time, I think it's going to happen the same thing. It's going to go sideways. Then after that, it's going to break down or to go upward again, because it needs to give us here a price action for us to know it's going to go upward. Here now there is nothing, so you need to make a close eye at those things. And here now, what the market give you here, can even come like that and like that. It give you here a channel, as you see it, guys, very clear now. I think that one is going to go to touch the lower of that channel here, maybe. Then after that, it's going to go upward, because I said maybe, because one thing, also here we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. As you see it, that one the last time is over here. The market is push away all that. So also now we are in it. Need to make a close eye at it. If the market going to give us here a price action indicating that the market is going to change its direction. Till now there is nothing yet. Everything is too clear. And another thing here is very bad here happening. So let me show it to you. Because if you remember, also here we have a long-term trend like that. And here the last low. So let me zoom it. Here we have a very stronger trend line. And here the last low here, that last low, it's been broke. So now what the market is indicating, it's breaking the long-term trend, guys. I think we are going to go to 10k, guys. Remember my words. It's a very bad moment for the cryptocurrency world. Look at it. That's what me have been talking to you. As you see it, it's breaking here, then it go back here. Here, as you see it, when it's breaking here, go back, he tested, now he falling, so he's breaking for you the low, the last low. Now another target is down here at 17,207, so make a close eye at it. Everything is too clear. By the way, if you are not subscriber in our channel, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, we are a special YouTube channel only about trading. We put every day 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin, 1 video a week analyzing for you the forex market. So if you are interested, you can join us and benefiting from all those things free, my friend. You done it? It's very simple. There is a red button down, click at it. You're going to be subscribed and turn all the bell notification to all to receive all our latest updates and videos. So now let's go to see our indicators, what they say for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, as you see it, what we said before, that one is still here at the oversold area, like that. Like that is better, and the picture is more clear to you. As you see it, what we said, it's enter here at the oversold area, but it doesn't become red like that. So what we need now, it needs that color here to become more red, guys. And it's going to become more red. I'm going to inform you and I'm going to tell you is the time for you to buy, guys. I'm going to tell you all those things in coming videos, so make sure to subscribe. Everything is too clear here. Let's see our other indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, if you remember what else we said before, we're drawing here that trend line, that smaller trend line. Actually, I'll tell it to you in the previous video, is not stronger. And that one here is the long-term trend. That one it's been falling from the 70k, and now also we are at going to 17k. So make a close eye at those things me I'm telling you guys here. And here what you see, here what you see, and here I tell it to you in the previous video. I tell you he go up here, he give you a low high, here give you low high, and now he give you another low, guys. Look at it, very close with me. Give you here another low. It's very clear. And even if you came here and you draw it like that, it give you here a channel, a down channel. Now it needs to fall down to touch the lower of that channel again. And I think it's going to go till the oversold area. There is no buying unless if it's giving us a divergence at the daily, guys. There's no buying here. Everything is too clear, guys. If it doesn't give us here a divergence, we are not going to buy. And if you want when it's give it to us, it's very simple. Just subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos, guys. You done it? So let's continue. Here we finish it from the daily. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the 4 hours, the picture is very clear here. As you see, what me I've been telling you every time there is a big falling in the daily, it followed by a sideways like that. Look here, big falling, a sideways like that. Yes or no? And here, if you remember what else we said in the previous videos, here, that 4 hours, what we said here. We said we got here a triangle like that. That triangle, now what happened to it? It's been broken here. Now what we need to do? We need to come and we're calculating from here to the side where it's broken to down. I think it's near to bring you the target, guys. Let's make it like that because it came a big volume today. So let me show it to you here. Here, as you see it, like that, and here that the triangle of us here. So also we're going to come here like that, and we're going to bring that one here like that. I think it's bring for you the target here. Target it need to become here at 18,592, guys. So make a close eye at those things. Everything is too clear till here now. Now what the market is going to do, I tell it to you before. I tell you it's going to stay here sideways for some time. We don't know till when. That's what the market is going to do. It's going to stay sideways, then maybe it's going to fall down again, or maybe it's going to go higher to go back to that level here. Maybe that one, all that breakout is happening here, it's just a fake breakout. Make a close eye at those things. Me, I'm telling you, our chart is the same thing staying here. Here also what we got guys, here we got that channel. If you remember, that one we've been followed for some time now. As you see it now, that channel, it's being touched again. Let me show it to you for the picture to be more clear to you. That channel actually also we draw it from here. We draw it from here like that. We started from that zone here. Then we go in here and here and here. On the top of it, we said this is that one, but it never go back to touch it again. It just touching the lower of it. That means also we are going in a very sharp downtrend. And now here, as I show you in the daily, he give you here a small channel like that. So now it need to fall down more to touch it, the lower of it here. Let me zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you. What I'm talking about, because I know it's very far like that. And some people, they got problems in the eyes of them. So here it is, and here it is. So as I told you, it need to fall down to touch the lower of that channel. So over here, you are in a falling down channel, guys. Make a close eye at those things, what I'm talking about. I think everything is too clear till now. So now it's going to see our indicators, what they say for the picture to be more clear to you here in the 4 hours. That one, as you see it, what else we said? We said here in the 4 hours, you got that trend line here of the divergence, that one. That's what also we said before. And we said here in the top, we're drawing the trend line together, as you remember that one. Then I tell it to you in the previous videos. I tell you if it doesn't break for you the middle, there is no buying yet. So we're still down here in the control of the bears. And that's what's happening, guys. Also we're still in the control of the bears. As you see it very, very, very clear here, what's happening here in that zone. The market, it came here. It couldn't break that level. It stayed sideways there. Then he fall down. So no matter how long we staying down here, there is no buying. Also, we're still in the control of the bears. Everything is too clear. Now, what's my view to it? My view to it is going to come back here to touch that divergence trend line here. And after that, it's going to go upward here. And we're going to see if it's going to break the trend line or not. Because till now, also we have here the trend line. Till now, it hasn't been broken. So it's still for it more room to fall down. I tell it to you. Let's see now if that 17k is going to hold. If it doesn't hold, there is 12,000. If it doesn't hold, there is 10k. If it doesn't hold 10k, also we go into 6k. And that one, the best scenario can happen into the Bitcoin or on the stock market, guys. No one can imagine in that. At that investment, that's how it's working. Everything is too clear. Let's see our other indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, as you see it here, I tell it to you before. I told you, is it here at the oversold area? Yes. But there is no price action here. Telling you is going to change, and that's what me have been telling you, because oversold and overbought, when you are in a downtrend, yes, you need to take the overbought to enter short, but for the oversold, there is no changing. It will not change. Everything is too clear here. You get the picture, guys. It's gonna take 30 minutes to see what is it there for the to know what the market doing right now. Here in 30 minutes, as you see it here, that's what me have been telling you. Here is going to do like that. It's going to fall down here. He tried to get here a reverse, as you see it, but look at it, tell where it's falling down now. Let's zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you, as you see it here, what I'm talking about. Here, what I told you, give you here a pin bar, but that pin bar, it go back up, then after that, it's falling down. And if you remember, also we tell it to you here, when we are in the top, we tell you it's going to fall down. And now, he tried to break for you the low, the last low here. If he break it for you, going to fall down more than that, guys. So make a close eye at those things. I think everything is too clear here in 30 minutes. Let's see our indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, as you see it, yes, you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Our indicator here is it at the oversold area, but there is no price action indicating you are going to go higher, guys. There is no price action. You get what I'm saying or not? Like here, when we are at the overbought area, I'd give also a price action. A triangle there, also we are going to fall down. Here, there is nothing here. At 30 minutes, there is nothing here. Look at it. Did you see any price action here? No. You can even draw like that a trend line here, that trend line, or you can even draw like that triangle. Triangle, it's breaking the lower of it. That's when you're going to fall down more than that. Everything is too clear, guys. I think that's it for today's video, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.